Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and let's talk about converting standard form of a quadratic equation to vertex form. So, ano nga ba yung step-by-step procedure in converting our standard form of our quadratic equation to vertex form? Okay, so, ito yung standard form natin. F of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And our next step is for us to find the vertex. So, hanapin muna natin yung vertex by using our formula. H is equal to negative b over 2a and our k is equal to negative b squared plus 4ac over 4a. Or we can just substitute the value of our x-coordinate dun sa ating original standard form to get our value of k. Now, pag nakuha na natin yung vertex natin, we will now substitute the value of our h and k sa ating vertex form. And our vertex form is f of x is equal to a times the squared quantity x minus h plus k. Now, yung ating a dito is the same value of a na makukuha natin sa ating standard form. So, kukopyahin lang natin yung value of a natin dito. Lalagay lang natin yung value ng h dito and yung k dito. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. Let's transform this quadratic function to vertex form. So we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 16. So ang first step natin is kunin natin yung value of a natin, which is equal to 1. Then, yung vertex natin, since na-solve na natin siya in our previous video, we have the vertex 5, negative 9. Okay, so now that we have our vertex and value of a, we can convert it to our vertex form. So, ang vertex form natin, we will just replace the value of a, h, and k by their corresponding value. So, palitan natin, f of x is equal to 1, tapos parenthesis, x minus, tapos 5, close parenthesis, squared symbol, plus our k which is negative 9. Then, let's simplify our operation. So we have f of x is equal to 1 times the square of x minus 5. Tapos, positive times negative will be negative 9. So we will have our final answer which is f of x is equal to 1 times the squared quantity of x minus 5 minus 9. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Let's transform this quadratic function to vertex form. So we have f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 8x plus 9. So ang first step natin is for us to get the value of a which is negative 1. Then let's get the vertex. So nakuha na natin yung vertex na itong quadratic function natin sa ating previous video. So ang vertex natin is negative 4, 25. Now that we have our value of a and our vertex, we can now use our vertex form to convert this quadratic function to vertex form. So let's substitute the values of a, h, and k dito sa vertex form natin. So we will have f of x is equal to negative 1, parenthesis, x minus the value of h which is negative 4, tapos square, plus the value of k which is 25. Now, let's simplify the sign. So, pag may nakita tayong dalawang sign, negative times negative, that will be positive. So, we have f of x is equal to negative 1. Negative times negative is positive. So, magiging square quantity x plus 4 siya. Tapos, positive times positive will be positive 25. And that's it. Our vertex form will be negative 1 times the squared quantity x plus 4 plus 25. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's transform this quadratic function to vertex form. So we have f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 15. So ang first step natin is to find the value of a, which is 2, and then our vertex. So yung vertex natin is 3, negative 3. So nakuha na natin to before. So sa previous video natin na item number 3, we get the vertex of this quadratic function. Now that we have our value of a and our vertex, we can now proceed to our vertex form. So palitan natin yung values of a, h, and k dito sa vertex form natin with their corresponding value. So f of x is equal to 2 times the squared quantity. So we open parenthesis, x minus the value of h, which is 3, close parenthesis, then square, plus k, which is negative 3. Now let's simplify the sign. So we will have f of x is equal to 2. Tapos negative times positive is negative. So square quantity x minus 3. Then positive times negative is negative. So we have negative 3. So our vertex form will now be f of x is equal to 2 times the square quantity x minus 3 minus 3. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Let's transform this quadratic function to vertex form. So we have f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 21x minus 5. So ang first step natin is identify the value of a, which is 3. So the value of a is equal to 3. Then let's find the vertex. So yung vertex natin, nakuha na natin siya before. So the value of the vertex of this quadratic function is negative 7 over 2, negative 167 over 4. Now that we have our value of a and our vertex, we can transform it to the vertex form. So, palitan natin yung a, h, and k natin with their corresponding value. So, we will have f of x is equal to 3 times, open parenthesis, x minus the value of h, which is negative 7 over 2, close parenthesis, and then square. Tapos, plus the value of k, which is negative 167 over 4. Tapos, let's simplify the sign. So, we will have f of x is equal to 3 times, okay, so negative times negative will now be positive. So, yung squared quantity natin will be x plus 7 over 2. Then, positive times negative will be negative. So, minus 167 over 4. Now, our final answer will be f of x is equal to 3 times the squared quantity x plus 7 over 2 minus 167 over 4. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's transform this quadratic function to vertex form. So we have here f of x is equal to negative 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. So ang first step natin is for us to copy our value of a. So the value of a is negative 5. Then, yung vertex natin. So, since nakuha na natin yung vertex natin for this quadratic function before, the vertex is 1 over 5, 21 over 5. Now that we have the vertex and our value of a, pwede na natin siyang isulat to vertex form. So, let's replace the values of a, h, and k dito sa ating vertex form. So, we will have f of x is equal to negative 5, tapos open parenthesis, x minus the value of h, which is 1 over 5, close parenthesis, squared, okay, plus the value of k, which is 21 over 5. Now, let's simplify our signs. So, it will now be f of x is equal to negative 5 times the squared quantity x minus 1 over 5 plus 21 over 5. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's transform this standard form to vertex form. So we have f of x is equal to negative 4x squared plus 6x minus 5. And let's convert it to vertex form. So ang first step natin is to get the value of a, which is negative 4. Tapos yung vertex natin, since nakuha na natin yung vertex na itong quadratic function sa ating previous videos, we have the value of the vertex, which is 3 over 4, negative 11 over 4. Now that we have the vertex and our value of a, pwede na natin siyang isulat sa vertex form natin. Let's replace all values of a, h, and k by their corresponding value. So we will have f of x is equal to negative 4, open parenthesis, x minus the value of h, which is 3 over 4. Tapos, close parenthesis, squared. Then, addition symbol, k is negative 11 over 4. Now, let's simplify the signs. So, we have f of x is equal to negative 4 times the squared quantity x minus 3 over 4. Tapos, positive times negative will be negative. So, we have minus 11 over 4. And that will be our vertex form. So, f of x is equal to negative 4 times the squared quantity x minus 3 over 4 minus 11 over 4. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.